APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, hailed the Pakistan Army Chief General Asim Munir's recent remarks on Kashmir, terming his assertions as a source of inspiration and a reminder that Kashmiri people are not alone in their struggle for the self-determination. He urged the international community to recognize the Kashmir dispute. Occupied Kashmir is one of the most dangerous places of the world, where people associated with the press and media face killings, threats, abductions, beatings, harassment, detention under the draconian laws, and other atrocities by the occupation authorities on the regular basis for reporting the truth. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of the World Press Freedom Day today said all these brutalities have made the journalist's everyday work extremely difficult in the occupied Kashmir. On the occasion of the Press Freedom Day, the 2024 World Press Freedom Index, released by the Paris-based Reporters Without Borders, said that the situation remains very worrisome in occupied Kashmir, where the reporters are often harassed by the police and the paramilitary forces, with some being subjected to the so-called provisional detention for several years. The authorities again placed the senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq under house arrest at his residence in Srinagar and barred him from offering the Jummah prayers at the historic Jamia Masjid today. Anjuman Awqaf Jamia Masjid Srinagar, condemning the arbitrary action, expressed deep dismay at the repeated house detention of the Mirwais. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti, addressing a public meeting in Rajouri, lamented that New Delhi had turned occupied Kashmir into a prison where freedom of speech was curtailed and the people were terrorized. She deplored that the Modi regime had snatched the region's identity.